Classical Feng Shui wants the snake to lie low in 2026. Too fragile, too risky. At Imperial Harvest, we see it differently. The snake advances by timing, observing, aligning, and striking with precision. This is a year to convert composure into progress and discipline into renewal. Surpassing Path and Annual Prosperity stars open lanes for recognition when you move with calm precision. The lesson isn't speed, it's balance. With sickness and broken stars in the periphery, protect wellness and relationships. Observe, align, act. Measured steps turn uncertainty into strategic renewal. Regular income stays steady, windfalls are muted. Evaluate ventures by cash flow and clarity. Avoid verbal promises and opaque terms. Small, well-timed positions beat grand impulsive risks. With Annual Prosperity Star, sustained effort compounds honest returns. Track spending and prioritize financial wellness. Surpassing Path Star powers courageous problem-solving. Annual Prosperity Star rewards diligence. Promotions and collaboration arise when you stay steady, diplomatic and exact. Resist impatience, mastery first, momentum next. Let performance and follow-through speak. Heavenly Doctor Star blesses recovery, but sickness and death god stars demand routine. Gut sleep, stabilize meals, hydrate, reduce screen fatigue and stimulants. Begin the year with a full checkup. Gentle movement, Tai Chi, walking, brief walk keeps energy balanced and clear. Broken and solid killing stars can spark misunderstanding. Dissolve it with patience and humility. Couples, small rituals and quality time rekindle warmth. Singles choose sincerity over spectacle. Empathy plus clear boundaries turn frictions into trust. Your Imperial Path's blueprint maps cycles. When to advance, when to preserve. Consecrated Imperial treasures match to your elements, activate clarity, health, and benefactor support. With alignment, Surpassing Path Star becomes entry. Annual Prosperity Star becomes stability. Heavenly Doctor Star becomes resilience. Classical Feng Shui says, wait it out. At Imperial Harvest, we believe in refining your timing and lead. For the snake, 2026 rewards balance, disciplined pacing, precise choices, quiet confidence. Claim your Imperial Harvest Path Blueprint 2026. Turn composure into progress and renewal into lasting prosperity.